Okay, so today we got an Epiphone Les Paul coming in for a pro setup. Other than that, some parts of the fretboard is a bit rough, so I actually scraped it to actually clean up a bit of the fretboard. He came in initially with the complaints that the strings are a bit too low, then it's beginning to buzz here and there. So I rectified that together with a pro setup. That's it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.